Good morning, everyone. I am Parsul from grade 8. I am going to tell today the date. Today day is Friday and today day is 31st July 2026.
Good morning everyone, myself Ritesh Patil from grade 8. I am going to tell you today's thought of the day. Literature lights the mind and enriches the soul. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Sohan Suryanshi from grade 8. Today I am here to tell daily affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on gratitude and pride. So please repeat after me. I am proud of what I achieve in this week. I am grateful for my school and my friends. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Arohi Abhijit Bandar from grade 8. Today I am here to say the word of the day. Today's word is fiction. It means imaginary stories. Part of which noun sentence Munshi Premchand has written many fictional stories. Fiction helps a writer to express his or her creativity in words. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning everyone, this is Purvi Almani from grade 8.
I am Sarat today from grade 8.
This is Kavya Patil from grade 8.
Myself Sneha Hazare from grade 8.
At Shraddha Olympiad School, today we are observing birth anniversary of Munshi Premchand.
Dhanpatra Srivastava was better known as Munshi Premchand.
Birth anniversary of Munshi Premchand observed on 31st July every year.
He was born in 1880 in Lampi, Uttar Pradesh.
Munshi Premchand was an Indian writer famous for his Hindustani literature.
His literary legacy encompasses over a dozen of novels and 300 short stories.
His literature powerfully addressed social issues like poverty, caste hierarchies, and colonialism.
The day introduced to honor his revolutionary contribution to Hindi and Urdu literature.
It raises awareness about the corruption and the exploitation of poor, likewise ongoing societal challenges.
Learning for all, we must read and understand great literature.
We should show deep empathy towards poor people.
Everyone has to fight against caste and gender discrimination.
Always stay grounded.
Message to the community from Shraddha Olympiad School. Words have the power to educate, inspire and transform.
Lasting thought is, great literature doesn't just tell stories, it changes lives.
Thank you.